Yo, what up everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today we're actually hitting the road. We are out of town. Also, happy 4th of July to everybody. Hope you guys are being safe. If you guys are gonna do fireworks, get you guys barbecue on or whatever it is. Hope everybody has a great 4th of July. But real quick today, since we are on our way, because it's Don Gavi time, yay! We are heading to Don Gavi's racing headquarters because he has an issue with his exhaust, which we are going to help him with. I have my welder in the car.
A quarter mile, turn right onto Yolo Street.
Damn. And we are almost here. So we'll show you guys his car a little bit more in depth, because I don't think we have done so, at least to the white Integra, and show you what he has in store for you guys real soon. So we're almost there.
And we're going to fix the exhaust pipe on my car because it's hanging right now. We just found out 2 or 3 welding points got broken, and we'll see if we can fix it. I'm afraid that the whole exhaust just falls off the car. And we'll see. Alright, we're finally done with the exhaust. Tony was nice enough to come and help me. He did a couple welds underneath the car and the exhaust is good to go. What's up, guys? It's me again. So just a quick update on what I'll be doing to the white car. So pretty soon I'm going to upgrade to an aluminum radiator from Skunk 2. It is the Alpha series, Alpha wrap. It's pretty nice. I like it. It's the first time ever I'll be running a aluminum wrap. Like I said on one of my posts on Instagram, I keep just adding stuff to the collection, but I haven't had the time to put them on the car. So yeah, this is what I'll be running. Hopefully it works. I've heard a lot of good comments about this, so why not? Plus it's cheap. So there's that. This is the spherical end links that I'll be using for the ITR. This is, by the way, this is an ITR rear sway bar. I painted it a while ago, but it's been sitting in the garage, so every once in a while I kick it, or somebody else at the house just moves it around and it's scratched already, but it's fine. I don't mind. So I'll be changing I'll be replacing the bushings. Obviously these are shot. They're bad, so new hard race bushings for it, along with the sway bar bushings that go bolted on the subframe of the car. Once again, these are the spherical end links from PCI. Nothing but good comments about this too. What else? Right here, these are my brake lines. I'll be upgrading my brakes as well. Got brand new Goodrich brake lines. They're pretty nice. I believe Antonio is running those on his car. I think so. So yeah, they're pretty cool. Front and rear. As for the suspension, I decided to go with the hard race OE replacements, but all the bushings are brand new. So there is that for the front of the car. They're pretty nice. Let me show you. These were actually a special order from Motorsportz. So thanks to Raul, I got this. like I said, all brand new bushings, ball joints. As for the brakes, and it never hurts to try, I decided to go with the blocks for piston calipers. They're pretty similar to the Wheelwood front brakes, the DPHA, I think that's how they are called. So like I said, doesn't hurt to try. We'll see how they do. I got this back in November. I actually got them for Black Friday, so I got them cheaper than usual. So brake calipers, along with 2 or 3 sets of brake pads. This is what I got, and I also got the front rotors from Blocks as well. So there's that, and I got tons of suspension parts waiting to be installed on the car. I got so I'm basically refreshing all the suspension in the car, new bushings, rear lower control arms, front lower control arms, compliance bushings, a lot of parts, everything from hard race. So we'll see how they do. And these are the tires I'm running, some Falcon Asinas, the RT615K. So yeah, just waiting on a couple more parts that I need, and I'll try to install everything as soon as possible and join the guys at the track.